What's up, Green Rhino Project? So, I hope you can hear me. It's kind of far away here, loud in the van. But I used to do a lot more of these years ago. So, just like throwing that knowledge at you, alright? So, experience brings knowledge. And after carpet cleaning for so many years and running into different scenarios, you gain knowledge. So, you know what it's all about. And a lot of people getting into the business, they really don't know what it's all about yet. What I mean by is, so if you're thinking you're gonna about starting a carpet cleaning business, keyword cleaning, all right, especially in the carpet cleaning industry, people are thinking about cleaning, and they get into a mindset to where it's a routine type of thing. You, if you're doing the proper steps of carpet clean, you're vacuuming, you're pre-spraying, you're agitating, and you're extracting. No matter what method you're doing, whether it's low moisture method or hot water extraction, you get into it's more of a process than actually solving the problem. So it's more than a process, guys. It's mostly about chemistry. It's mostly about what the chemicals you're using or the solutions you're using. I don't like to use the word chemicals. Definitely don't use that around your customers, guys. So the solutions you're using to clean is the most important part. You know, you can go in there in a situation, say a customer has a major pet problem, right? So urine throughout the carpet. You go in there, you use your regular pre-spray, you do the whole process, you clean it, you get a call back the next day because these spots reappeared. Because you're not using the right chemistry. Okay? It really has to do with identifying the problem in the carpet, figuring out what solution is going to solve that problem, and use it. Okay? And by the time you're done, the carpets are going to look clean. And if you identified everything right, and they should look clean tomorrow too, and the next day, until the customer actually gets it dirty. Okay? So, for instance, pet stains, urine, that's organic, right? So, a lot of people will use enzymes, other people will use oxys, that type of chemistry, and to solve the problem. So, if you watch my channel, you know what I use. I don't use enzymes. So basically, I identify the problem with your light, whatever, and even visually, if you don't have a light, know what it is, ask the customers questions, interview the customer. Do you know what that might be? Do you know what that might be? Because we, as professionals, should have a spotter bag to get rid of most every stain. Not all stains are removable, but you know, most every stain. Say if it's ink, you got ink remover, right? So, you know, asking the customer what it is, that way we can get straight to the, go straight to the bag, get that spotter out. Now, if we're doing overall cleaning, you got pet stain, we need to either, if you're just gonna treat those spots where the dog may have urinated, with a separate pump-up sprayer or something like that, you can do that too. Or if you can do it all over and boost it pre-spray, you can do that too. But the main point is you got to make sure you're using the proper chemistry to clean. It's just not a process. It's actually more than just taking that wand and rinsing everything out. But it's more than that. So, like for instance, if you're walk in the house and you see grease coming in and out of the dark, right? So you know it's grease coming in and out of the garage or something like that. So you're gonna know, you know what, maybe I better use a pre-spray that is more for cutting grease. All right, so that's usually some kind of citrus pre-spray. There's many out there that are usually high pH, but knowing that, and it would make your job a whole lot easier also, because if you're not using the right pre-spray for certain situation, job's gonna take you a lot longer. It's gonna be harder to rinse out. You know, you might not get the best results. So that's pretty much the only time I will have to get aggressive with my pre-sprays, is when it's a grease, oils, stuff like that. Other than that, it's treat for organic or spot removal. So I hope you guys understand my point here is basically, if you're thinking about getting into the business, don't look at it as just a you know, like you're doing laundry. You know, you put your clothes in laundry, you put it in detergent, wash it, you know, throw it in the dryer. We have to do a little bit more investigation, and we have to do a little bit more of problem solving, you know, as a carpet cleaner. And if you want to keep your reputation, you want to get a reputation. So knowing that, educate yourself, right? Educate yourself on all those points that I just made. And as you know, I have a school, Rhino Academy. I teach all that stuff. So below all my videos, I got some other stuff coming out for the veterans, by the way, people that have already started their business, and you know, it's going well, but you're missing calls and you know, maybe not catching up with your being able to reply to questions on social media, you know, Facebook, Instagram, whatever. I got some good stuff coming shortly. I'll let you know. All right, so that's it for this one. If you enjoy this type of content, let me know, you know, and I'll do more of this type of content, because, you know, I have so many videos out there of me actually cleaning them, you know, using the wand and cleaning, right? So many, there's hundreds and hundreds and hundreds. So I feel this type of content is actually more important right now for my channel, and for you guys to get the best use of it. All right, see you in the next one.